Respira bem fundo pra mim. Deixa eu acertar um pouco. Ótimo. Muito bom. Pode deitar de barriga pra baixo. Bem sentinho, bem relaxado. Quando eu ver que você relaxou, eu vou ajustar, tá bom? Vai respirando normalmente, tá? Ótimo. Bem tranquilo. Bem suave. Isso, muito bem. Tranquilo, né? Só assusta um pouquinho, né? Relaxa bem. Segura a cervical, tá? Segura, bem normalinho. Ótimo.
Good. We're going to try adjusting through here. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Good movement. Is that something that you're familiar with?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay right here, face down, right on the table. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Good. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me.
Pode girar a dor na lombar. Respira bem fundo. Solta o ar. Solta. Ótimo. Muito bom. E aí, vai virar para o outro lado, pode usar uma vértebra lombar. Eu te aviso de respirar, tá bom?
Uhum.
Pode respirar bem fundo. Deixa o ar sair. Solta. Ótimo. Muito bom. Tranquilo? Mesma coisa, tá? Vai respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Ótimo. Muito bom. Relaxa bem seu ombro. Fechou. Respira fundo. Solta o ar. Solta. Tá bom. Rosto para baixo. Posicionar a tua rodada aqui para a direita. Tá?
Uhum.
Vamos ajustar, tá bom? Isso. Soltinho. Pode deixar. Relaxa não. Perigo nenhum. Relaxa o ombro para mim. Ótimo. Perfeito. Bom. Ótimo. Muito bom. Perfeito.
From the medical profession, which doesn't understand. There you go. Boy. First time ring dinger of the year. There we go. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now that you catch your breath, I'm going to do the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. Perfect. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my God.
Crack addicts don't love you. And I'm going to get that thoracolumbar right there. Yes, ma'am. Boy, they probably heard that in Midtown. Atta girl. Okay.
Okay. All right, so we're going to come right over here and just let everything relax there for me. Good. Atta girl. Wow, she's like that.
Some posture work as well, and so that'll give her longer lasting relief and set her up to be successful in the future here. Perfect. Awesome.
You can tell Renee and I are married, huh? There we go. There we go. Now see, that's as hard as I can pull on him, and he is still kicking, by the way. Okay. Yep. There we go. Boy, that was a beautiful palmar diversified rotary break on both sides. Okay, keep your teeth together and just breathe. No, you don't need to clench them, just together. Okay, just breathe normal. There you go.
Oh, jeez.
You should have felt that all the way down.
Oh, the freaky way down.
Yep. That's why we call it ring dinger. See, you're still kicking, you're good.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm. Well, you put that very nicely compared to a lot of people that did it for the first time.
Ugh.
There you go. Good job. There we go. A little more. There you go. Walk it off, please. Pretty cool. Keep walking. Walk up on your toes. Definitely got to work on your left ankle. Walk on your heels. Now for T10, okay, I'm going to use this strap here to stabilize your neck. We don't want to whiplash the neck, okay? There you go. 10. I'm going to set 10, thumb right on the spinous, using a thumb pisiform. Let's take it down all the way. There it is. Good. Good. A little more. Gotcha. Home run. Okay, just breathe normal for me now, Lorenzo. That's it. Oh, yeah. Boy. He has been needing to be adjusted like this his entire life.
Doc, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just stretch the neck. We're gonna stretch the neck, good. Up and just loosey goose. All the way, breathe out, let it go. Good, more. Ah, wonderful. Wow. That was something. Relax, let it go. Good. And let it fall all the way. Good. Have you ever felt something like that before?
Oh, that's euphoria.
Okay, breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh,
It's a home run.
oh, wow.
Now, he does have reflexes. Okay, Patrick, drop your head in my hands like you're sleeping. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good old palmar diversified rotary break there.
Some elbows in, head down, roll back to me. Good, open up. We gotta get you some new shoes. There we go, awesome. All right.
Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Vai soltando, solta, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Por lado. Respirou? Solta o ar, vai soltando, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Vai sobre aqui, solta. Tranquilo? Uhum.
Just breathe normal for me. There we go. Yes, ma'am.
My
Go ahead,
God.
slide down that way a little bit.
Oh,
I almost pulled you off the table. Did you feel that all the way
almost
down?
lost
though?
my lashes. Oh,
Did you feel
Lord.
that all the way down?
I did.
Good.
I can't breathe. It feels so good.
Okay. There we go. Drop it right in my hand. Perfect. It's a palmar diversified rotary break on Brooke Adams' neck.
Wow.
I'm gonna lean right over. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna lay on my hand, kind of like it's a pillow, and we get that adjustment. So that's perfect. And then you'll see the increased range of motion on that side. We're gonna lean right on that particular joint and relax this to your hand, and that releases just like that. So,
Let your head fall forward into my hand. Let your shoulders drop, let everything loose for me.
Oh my God. Oh, yeah.
How was that?
It was crazy.
No, keep your teeth together. Oh yeah, home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And you're still kicking. Good.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a shock and all wow adjustment. Good job. You handled that a lot better than a lot of people, though. I know I'll be hearing all kinds of ways to fix it. There we go. Good. Alright. I think some of y'all just come on here, watch us do the ring dinger to make sure somebody doesn't ever not come off the table. That has never happened, and pray to God that never will happen.
Good, just like that. Good. Good. Yeah,
That was even bigger.
that was even bigger.
Did you feel this improvement when you would go to do physical therapy exercises?
I did not.
No? Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. You can relax there for me. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let's have you lay facing the opposite way. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up there for me. Excellent. Good. Excellent. Feel some movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
This area, that's where they'll point to, and that's where she's having trouble. So breathe out. There, starts to go already. How's that leg? Is that hurting?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, good. And there it goes. Good job, Melissa. All right.